Hello, I am making some carnitas. It's the beginning of chile verde. So there's going to be a couple parts where I'll show you how to make it and how I make it. And these carnitas are so easy to make. What I did was ask the butcher if he can give me the fat. And if you have a nice butcher, bring him a gift around the holidays. And really appreciate your butcher and or meat man, whichever you prefer. And then you bring them, and then you'll have like someone that you can just give you a favor. So these can actually be chicharrones, or they could be the beginnings of the I'm actually rendering the lard so that I can use it for my my other carnitas. But this is basically, you can make this into chicharrones, or you could just, I mean so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reserve, and I asked to do this because sometimes you have you're invited to a certain party and they say, oh, I want that lard in tamales. So I like to make some tamales where you actually can put some lard in them. Anyway, I used to have a restaurant, and many years ago, and I used to have a restaurant, and my #1 seller was a chile verde. I almost forgot how much it sold. It was crazy. And but I took the time to making the chile verde, and it was pretty darn good. I made it out of fresh tomatillos, and a lot of times you get the canned stuff, but I think you can doctor up the canned stuff to make it easier. But I'd advise not to get any with any preservatives. So I like rendering the fat, and then I like adding the meat to the fat. But this is going to be really good. I'm doing this as a treat, and someone had asked me to do a special recipe for it, and so I thought, well, okay, I'll do it. But the butcher gave me some fat, and I cut it up into small pieces, and you'll see how I'm rendering the fat off of this this chile verde. Yeah. So no diets here. I'm just saying. And then, you can add a little bit of salt. I add a little bit of salt to that. And then you just kind of, see all that fat coming out? And you take the scraps and you add a little bit of lemon and some salsa. Some of my salsa that I've jarred, because I've got some really good deals on some tomatoes. Honey, or you could just use these little cracklings for if you want to do a special meal. You can have your cracklings, and you can top your special meal with some cracklings. And but this is a nice amount of cracklings that I've made, or chicharrones, and I just wanted to show you that. So okay, so I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Adios.